Hello, 321 family and friends, fans of the three dogs here. Tasha passed out. Taylor helping Mama. Tucker also helping Mama. He's pretty sure there's something in that box for him. Too bad, Tuck, not this time. Mama's Amy has gotten something she's been waiting for. So one of the things we had to do when we left the U.S. was we had to get rid of all her wonderful kitchen appliances. You know, she loves to cook. We both do, but she particularly had taken up cooking the last few years. And so she had to get rid of all her fabulous cooking appliances. And she's been a little bit sad about that. So we've started to try to replace some of those. And what is this one here, baby?
This one is an Instant Pot.
It's an Instant Pot, yes.
Duo Plus Multi-Cooker.
Duo Plus Multi-Cooker. And we had to get rid of the U.S. one and get one here because, you know, U.S. is different voltage here than we are here. So, yeah, that's what happens. And, yeah, so she's got that in just now, and she is unboxing it. And I was a little surprised. I got her something else she'd been having a hard time finding. Some dried black beans of any kind. So, yeah, tonight is Taco Tuesday. We are so excited because I actually have crispy taco shells, and she has black beans, although she hasn't made any yet. But there'll be some black beans going into that pressure cooker real soon. We'll let her go ahead and open it up that. While I'm talking about appliances, so in our IKEA kitchen, which there's a lot of those here, the appliances are a little different. And so that's one of the things you'll get used to if you're coming to Europe, the different appliances. So here is our cooktop and vent and light setup. It's quite different. It is convection. And you'll look at that and you'll go, what is that? And it takes a little bit of getting used to. You have 3 burners of 3 different sizes. And you slap something down on one of them. You turn it on. You tell it which one you want to use. I think you have to have something actually on there, and then you tell it what temperature you want it to be at, and that's the tricky part, getting it to go there. But yeah, then you turn it off, and all is well. And there's this fancy smancy cover that generally goes over that and keeps it protected when you're not using it. That's how that sits. And then there's that nifty thing up there. That is the hood, the oven hood, ventilator, as well as the light. And it's just like the other thing. It has little buttons up there that you can push and it'll come on and do things for you. And so that's the oven, the cooktop and the vent setup. Over here, across all the other way here, is up top is the microwave. Yeah, none of that made sense to me for a while. And then down here is your stove. And that's not really flashing, that's just effect of the video. But yeah, you see here, none of that will make sense to you until you spend a little time with it. There's a learning curve, but basically they do the same thing. And they look the same way as you would expect them to look anywhere else. They're just built in. Refrigerator. They're just built in. And you have to figure out how to operate them in metric. And in French language, if you need to read the manual. So be prepared for that. And know that you're going to be replacing some things. But that just means what? You get new things, yeah?
Yes.
Are you so excited?
Oh, look at this.
That's fabulous.
It's different from the one.
It is different. But everything here is different. But we found that to be pretty good. Different's been good, right?
Yeah, so far.
So there you go. A little bit about appliances in Europe. Anywhere you choose to go, it's going to be pretty similar. But this is, of course, here in France where we are. And we love it here. Thanks for joining us again on 321 Fabulous French Adventure. We appreciate your time. We appreciate you being here. Thanks again. And we look forward to the next time you join us here at 321 Fabulous French Adventure. All right. Bientot.